This is the Varmilo Pro Panda keyboard. It starts at $135. It's a 65% keyboard, meaning it's quite a bit smaller than TKL. It weighs just at 1 kilogram, and thankfully, it's got mechanical switches. It features high-quality PBT keycaps with custom Pandem theme fonts. Keep in mind that it does come with a few replacement keycaps if you wish to remove some of the Panda art. On the back of the keyboard, there's a single USB-C slot, which the USB-C to USB-C cable does come included in the box, making this quite easily portable. As for the backlighting, it's got a subtle white glow which emanates around the keycaps rather than through. Using the function keybinds, you can switch between a few lighting effects, but keep in mind that it only stays in white. You can see to save space, the function and media keys are combined together with other inputs. These can be easily accessed through keybinds, by default through the function key. I personally chose the Cherry MX brown switches, so let's have a listen. Also included with the box is an extra large Panda themed mouse pad. The print quality is truly amazing and hasn't faded yet within the months I've used it. I think the video will speak for the rest of its quality. A beige sturdy keyboard case is also included. At the end it's tied together through ropes, which makes for easier portability. Also included is a soft Panda plushie, which I personally like to use to help cover up the cables. Overall, this keyboard has been a great everyday experience, and I look forward to future keyboards by Varmilo.